Hello again, it's Samuel Dennison, your academic coach, and today we're going over the specialization email that you're going to receive once you have finished enrolling into your course and setting up your account for Coursera. If you're wanting to get started right away and hop right into your lessons, the specialization email is the best way for you to do that. It's going to include a few tips on best ways for you to maximize your learning experience and things that could help you be effective in being successful during this course. And after that, there will be a button for you to jump to that says go to lecture, and this will throw you right into your first lesson or pick you up wherever you left off. And this is where my first lesson, or the last thing I was looking at here, the first lesson here is Introduction to Cybersecurity Tools and Cyber Attacks. And you'll see my notes, I've already gone through this, are here. And you can check out how to take notes in the How to Check Out Notes tutorial that is also available to you. Um, and this just allows you right from your email to get right into your coursework without having to go to your student dashboard, logging in or anything like that. You'll already be set and ready to go.